Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on Changelly or how you can create your Changelly account. For that, first of all, you need to download and install it in your device. So in order to do it, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, when you search for Changelly term, you are going to see the Changelly exchange application in front of you. So you need to tap on the option of install and install this application on your device first. Then tap on the option of open in order to launch the application. Over here, you are going to see this type of page in front of you, where if you tap on the option of your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will see the option of get started. So here when you click on the option of get started, you can sign up here with the help of your email address, and you can also continue with the help of your Google account. So for this video, I'm going to be continuing with my Google account. So if I tap on the continue with Google option, it is going to show you all of your email addresses that you can basically use to create your account here. After selecting your email address, you will be redirected here inside your dashboard, which is now going to look something like this. So this way you can basically create your account here. It is quite simple and straightforward. If you select the email option, you need to provide a strong password for your account, but if you select the Google account option, you will be able to directly create your account over here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if you want me to create a tutorial on any of the topics in your mind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.